All right.
Okay. Also, I got Robin sitting in my office and she didn't come in, so apparently you're busy.
Yeah.
You still there?
Yep.
Okay. So, like I told you before, John, with this, I don't see any type of illegal action that was taken by the courts upstairs.
They told me.
I've read through your file, everything else, and it's clear that you didn't respond in the formal answer.
Bullshit. My response was there. They said I did not respond, and then I responded again.
Formal answer. They said that you've.
I responded.
I've got it here. Your letter is nonsensical, and I have not interposed a formal answer. There's nothing.
Whatever. That was my response, and they told me they never received my response. That's the issue. Chief Holtz, I just lost him. I need him.
I'm sorry, I can't understand you.
I need to talk to Chief Holtz. I was just talking to him. My phone just dropped his call.
May I ask who's calling, please?
John Besser.
Just a moment.
Hello? Hello? Went dead. Don't know what's going on here. Pretty odd.
Law enforcement, Tanya.
Yeah, John Besser calling again. Our phone call was dropped. Something's going on.
Okay, I can hardly understand you.
I'm John Besser. My phone call was dropped with Chief Holtz. I need to get in touch with him. Hello? Yep, John Besser.
Okay. Where did I lose you, John?
Where they said, I didn't respond. They told me. I called them up. It's on video. Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here. You called who up, John?
I called the court administrator office up, and they said I did not respond. And then I went up there, and it's all video recorded. And there's my response. And they told me I didn't respond. And then the lawyer...
This is Robin Finke. There are certain rules that the court has as far as the form that your answer on a complaint needs to be in.
Well, whatever. I responded. My response said...
In your response, any of the allegations that were set forth in the complaint that Capital One brought against you. Therefore, you did not answer appropriately.
Whatever. What's appropriately? I answered. I said I wanted to make him and the judge look like a bunch of jackasses. What part don't you get?
With the allegations in the complaint.
Yeah, it said I would be extremely happy to sharpen my skills in court.
Yeah.
Well, you're answering a question with a question, John.
Well, it don't matter.
It'd be like if you would call me and ask me saying that you needed help, I would say I would love to come out there and help you, wouldn't I? What's that? What would that?
Well, it's the question. Wouldn't I like to be there? Yes, I would be.
It doesn't say that.
It's not a response. It's not a yes or no. It's not a definite statement that, yes, I want to be there to address these charges. That you did not do.
Yeah, and then, you know, you got the letter back from Jefferson Pappas, the attorney from Messerly and Kramer, basically...
Why didn't he not take me in front of a judge? That's the answer. You guys should have brought me in front of a judge. It was a back deal. You're the biggest damn criminal there is.
Mr. Besser, there are rules of court which can be found, a copy of which can be found in the Swift County.
I followed the rules.
Online, and those are the rules that everyone in the court system, including you, needs to follow.
I follow them. I got the facts.
Not understand those rules.
I got the facts and I got the evidence.
Of your choice in order to determine what you need to do to address this situation.
I have addressed it. You guys broke the law by having a court case without me being there, without notifying me.
Oh, because it says right here.
Whatever, it does not say right there. I said twice.
Filing these documents to allow you time to seek legal counsel, interpose a formal answer, and/or set up a suitable reclaimant. If we do not hear from you, we may be requesting the court to enter a default judgment against you.
And what?
That's what happened.
Oh, and I responded. I responded.
No, you didn't. Well, you responded, but you did not respond correctly. Do you have a copy of the complaint in front of you, sir?
Yeah, right now I don't.
Okay, well, I would look at that. Each of the numbered paragraphs in that, you need to address specifically what your response was to those. You made no reference to any of that information in your response. Therefore, it was not an appropriate or proper answer under the rules of court. Now, even if you if you had addressed what was in that complaint, the court probably would have taken that as an answer. But you did not do that. All you said, you addressed nothing in that complaint in your response.
Am I an attorney? No. I don't have to follow your rules. Your rules are, all I had to do was respond.
Consult with an attorney. The court holds you to the same standard as an attorney where you would need to know this. So if you do not, you should consult with an attorney to find out what you need to do.
No, I don't believe that. You're just pulling things out of the air because you've been caught red-handed on doing an illegal activity.
Except for you for
no, whatever. You guys, I got so much damning evidence against you. You're trying to smear everything. I wanted to be in court. That my response said I wanted to be there.
What I have in front of me isn't showing anything.
Well, whatever.
Telling that you did not follow the rules of court to address the situation, and all I'm hearing right now is you trying to blame everybody else for your inaction and inappropriate response.
Okay, Robin, you sign off on that and say my complaint. You sign off and say that wasn't a response. I want you to sign off on that. You sign off. You sign off on that response and say that's not my response.
John, you show me in your letter